Congratulations on purchasing your DealDrive license via AppSumo. Here are the steps to activate your license and set up DealDrive. My name is Alan, and I'm the evangelist of DealDrive. Let's get started. Click Activate from the product page on your AppSumo. This will automatically redirect you to the DealDrive webpage. From here, you can register as a new user by entering your information, or simply use Google Sign-On and click Continue. Your DealDrive license will activate based on the tier you purchased. Once inside, the first things to check are your billing and ops to confirm your app tier, your enrichment credits, and your profile. Then, head to the Guide section. This is your AI assistant for setting up DealDrive. Just type any question like, "How do I set up DealDrive?" and it will walk you through the steps. You can ask Guide anything about DealDrive, how to work in DealDrive, how to create pipeline, how does AI work in DealDrive, etc. Now, let's head to Setting, which is available on the left panel when you scroll down. For a quick setup, scroll down in Settings and click on AI Configurator. If your business fits one of the listed industries, like a car dealership, property, B2B SaaS, etc., just select it. Else type your industry and what do you want in the CRM, and DealDrive will automatically configure your CRM to match that industry's typical workflow. You should also go to Company Profile and fill in your company domain, industry, and base currency. Once done, your leads and deals pipelines will be ready to use. Pipelines represent the stages in your sales process. For example, you might have a new car sales lead pipeline and a deal pipeline with stages like showroom visit and test drive. To customize or add pipelines, go to Settings. Next, import your contacts and companies using the Import button. Download the sample template, fill it in, and upload it. If you add a new contact or company, explore the Enrich button, which enriches contact and company information, email ID, LinkedIn profile, and phone numbers where available. You can also explore pre-built themes and upload your company logo to personalize your DealDrive CRM. To add team members, go to Users and send invites via email or create accounts directly. You can set up reporting hierarchies and define the markets each user operates in. Connect your email and calendar by clicking Connect in the Sync section. This ensures all your emails and calendar events are automatically linked to the relevant deals in your CRM. Other important setup steps include territories, roles and user permissions, delegations, and branch entities. Also configure your AI sales methodology under AI configuration so the AI can start working according to your company's sales process. I personally like MEDDPICC. However, there are other top methodologies which you can pick, and DealDrive AI will auto-guide your sales reps using this. For more advanced configuration, set up roles and permissions for each team member, define reporting hierarchies for approvals, and configure sales goals and quotas. The CPQ module lets you configure your products, pricing, discount tiers, and user counts. Navigate to the Products section to add items, set pricing, and manage your catalog. You can also set up automation and assignment rules to define what happens when a lead is assigned. Explore record types and other advanced settings at your own pace. There's a lot to discover. For lead management, when you enter a lead, click Enrich to automatically pull in the contact's phone number and other details. Once a lead converts to a deal, you can track all activity, emails, calls, and signals directly within that deal. You can create custom fields from settings and map decision makers within each deal. The AI deal closure feature nudges your sales reps with specific actions. It can draft emails, create tasks, or provide AI analysis depending on the situation. DealDrive also includes built-in contact and company enrichment, so you won't always need third-party tools. Once deals close, accounts are automatically created, where you can assign account managers and track ongoing activity. DealDrive's AI nudge engine automatically reminds and guides your team on pending actions, auto-enforces your sales methodology, and gives you ready-to-share emails, inputs, and also auto-update the deal, etc. Explore the analytics section for rich data insights, including AI-powered querying. Use deal journeys to track deal progression, monitor employee activity, and leverage the Target tool to identify your best potential accounts based on closed deals. Introducing Target, agentic AI which can automatically identify accounts that you should target based on deals you already have in your pipeline above 50% of deal journey. You can auto-map decision makers and even find out who reports to who. Add the account as a deal.
Whenever you need help, click Help and Support. You can reach the team at support@dealdrive.tech or use the in-app support section. We're always here to help.